here we go again. One more time. Good feeling. So again, some of you fell into the trap that I warned you about. That the way the configuration set algorithm starts is with just the productions for the start symbol. I'm going to start like this, right? That's the basis for the set zero. I'm going to do LALR with one look at it, because that's what I like to do. I'm not sure it actually is the right strategy for this particular problem, but I'm going to stick with my strategy. Okay. And that's what some of you didn't make clear. You didn't make clear what your look at sets were. Were they LALR1? Were they LR1? So I need you to be very explicit. I know you probably knew what they were, but I'm going to be the cynic on this side. I want you to tell me what they are. So I'm going to say these are LALR1 look at it. And for the start symbol, the configuration for the start symbol, we know we expect to see end of file. When I reduce back to that S, I expect to have consumed all the inputs. So that's the look at it. So speech recording it didn't go back there, so I retain full rights. I want royalties. All right. So X, what's the process for X? X goes to AX. X goes to nothing. So if you're in a hurry, right off the bat, right here, you know it's not LR0, right? And most of you told me this immediately, right? So there's a shift reduce conflict. I guess I'll write it down later, but I want to clutter this. But right here, you know right off the bat, it's not LR0. There's a shift reduce conflict right off the bat. So what's the look aheads here, though? It's going to be G first to Y, which is first of Y.
C.
So EC, right? Y does not null terminate. Sorry, Y does not null terminate. I said that right, I guess. So that's it, right? It's just going to be first of Y. If Y null terminated, we have to include the end of file. And that's it for set zero, right? Because that's it. So unfortunately, I need to work one of these kind of things into my examples, I guess, because every year I work all these examples where all the productions are in the set zero. I say it, I warn you, but nobody really, it doesn't sink in. People, when they sit down to do the homework, they just write all the productions down in set zero. But again, I just start with this, and I just bring in the stuff that needs to be brought in. Okay? So now what happens? Now we're going to go to set 1, S goes to X. I carry along the look aheads. So I just copy those. And this is going to go to set 2, I guess. Again, I carry along the look aheads. Nothing to be done here. So now I need to bring in the Y productions. Y goes to little c, X to Z, I think it is, right? X to Z, and Y goes to little d. Again, I've got to ask myself, what's the look at? When I return back, it's at the end of the right-hand side, so I expect to see the same thing I'm going to see when I return back to S. So the EOF gets inherited in here. Just inherit it down here. Because the Y was at the end of the right-hand side. All right. So let's say I leave some room for the X productions. Let's go down here to 3. S goes to X, Y. And look at now becomes useful down here, right? When I was gonna fill in the parse tables, I would only do this reduction for an LALR parser for end of file. So that's 3, what am I doing? This is 4, I guess.